is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel. My name is Jackie. I'm 26 years old. Just exploring life in my 20s and embracing the downtime in between work and the hustle of the world. So today's video, I'm just getting ready for the work week. It's an average Sunday in my life. Nothing terribly exciting. It snowed so much last night, so it is absolutely beautiful outside, but I'll take you out real quick. But it is quite cold, snowy, but absolutely beautiful outside. So Bergie wants to try going outside, but the snow is taller than him right now, so I don't think that will be happening. But Salem is outside. It is gorgeous, gorgeous out. So I don't know where he went. He's just exploring. Trying my best to enjoy the snow and the cold weather, but it's definitely not my favorite. So just embracing time inside and hanging out. But I'll be getting ready for the work week because it is Sunday, and probably be doing some baking. I think I'm gonna do an empty my cabinets day. So just baking and cooking everything that's in there, getting rid of things that we need to. Other than that, it's gonna be a pretty slow day. So welcome to the video. Be trying to get a little bit ready. I'm looking awfully rough and I just woke up, so I'm gonna wet a hairbrush and start to untangle this mess that I have of hair. Not going anywhere today, or going anywhere like with plans or anything, so I'm not worried about getting too ready, but I just wanted to freshen up a little bit, and I think I'm gonna do a face mask because my skin and my hair is just feeling so dry with it being the middle of winter. So I have this invisible oil hair mask. I've actually never used it. Okay, so I'm actually gonna do that after, I guess my hair is shampooed. I just don't want to shower yet, so I'm not going to do that yet. So not doing that, but I'm going to do a face mask. So I'm just going to wet my face with some warm water. Alright, my face mask is on and I am looking absolutely insane. So I'm going to hang out on the couch watching YouTube and just relax for a little bit with this on. Berkey wanted to come join me on the couch and make some biscuits, so yeah, we're just enjoying the day. I just took the face mask off and feeling nice and moisturized, so yay. It's like 3 o'clock now. I don't want to say today has been a wash of a day, but like I just haven't done a whole lot, and I don't really need to do a whole lot today. It's a snowy day. Most of my stuff around my house is done, so I don't need to accomplish a lot, but it's just been, I don't know, it feels like it's been a waste of a day in a way. So I'm gonna go to the grocery store. I need to make a list of some things that I want, and I don't know what I'm gonna eat for dinner yet, so I need to figure that out. But I'm just gonna kind of get ready, not totally, because I'm only going to the grocery store. When it's winter, kind of ready means throwing on a big jacket, sweatshirt, leggings, and boots, because it is just too cold and there's too much snow to deal with around here. But Salem really wants to come with me, so I think I'm gonna let him come. Right. Yeah, you're gonna come with me. Even though we're just running to the grocery store, I only need to grab a couple of things, so I'll leave the car running for him and I can lock it and we'll be all good. Right, buddy? Yeah. Okay. He's very excited. See, he really wants to go with, so how can I say no? Before I forget, I need to blow out my candle so my house doesn't burn down. It is quite snowy out, so I have to clean off all of that off my car. So, not very excited. All right, I'm I'm in the car now. I foolishly had to turn around because I forgot my wallet, but I think I'm having steak and potatoes tonight. That sounds really, really good for dinner, and the store that I go to has these really good pre-marinated steak tips, so I'm gonna grab those, and I'm hoping they still have them because it is Super Bowl Sunday. I'm not a huge football person, so not doing anything for that, but and my boyfriend's working, so no plans, but just a chill night, and need to get ready for work tomorrow. Gonna pick out an outfit and get my bag all ready. I have to be at work at 8 a.m. so I will be getting everything I need ready, and then hopefully bed at a good time tonight, because I live about an hour away from where I need to go. My job is kind of different, where I don't have a set schedule. I make my own schedule, but I for some reason decided 8 a.m. on a Monday morning was a great time for a meeting. So I will be going to that, and then I have a pretty busy day tomorrow, actually. I need to go over to another area in my community. I work with the schools. I work closely with the schools, so I don't work for the schools necessarily, but I work closely with them. So I'm going to be going over to another school and be meeting over there. I'm a case manager. I don't know if that interests anybody, but I can do kind of more in detail of what a mental health case manager, restorative justice case manager looks like. That is, I guess, my specialty area. So yeah, I can talk about that more in a different video, or maybe do work get ready with me and answer some questions about what that entails. But anyway, I'm just gonna go to the grocery store, get some dinner, and then head home and just have a chill rest of the evening. I'm back from the grocery store. I got steak, potatoes, and green beans, and I'm really excited. I just wanted a warm meal tonight, so I thought that would be good. They're just beef tips. I'll show you. So they're maple bourbon barbecue beef sirloin tips, and they're really, really good. So good from there. So I'm excited to have those. I'll probably cook them in, I don't know, a little bit. I am hungry now, but I don't feel like cooking quite yet. I don't know why. Right as I get home, I never want to do anything right away. I just need to chill out for 10-15 minutes, but I am feeding Berkey. He is awaiting his cat food, so I gotta get that over to him. But it's been a really good day. It's absolutely gorgeous outside. The sun is setting, so I think I'm gonna take Salem for a quick walk, because he hasn't really got in many steps in today. So I'm gonna do that and just chill out for a little bit until I cook dinner. All right, I'm outside with Salem, just taking him on a walk. It is absolutely gorgeous out, and I love, oh my gosh, he's rolling in the snow. I love living kind of on a road where no one goes down, because I can just take him out and we can walk around and goof around and not have to worry about traffic or anything like that. So it's really awesome being back here, but it is quite cold outside, and there are snow piles that are taller than me over there. So not really a huge fan of that. Salem absolutely loves it though, so I'm glad he likes it. I'm trying to get outside more and, take him on more walks, even though it is bitterly cold and there is snow piles that are taller than me over there. So wasn't feeling making dinner quite yet, so I just made up the dog bed, or the animal's bed, and I think Salem's gonna take a snooze. I don't feel like cooking quite yet. I don't love to cook. I like to bake and stuff like that, but I'm not a huge fan of actually just sitting there and making meals. So I'm kind of avoiding that, putting it off for a little bit because I'm not terribly hungry. I am going to take a look at my clothes and pick out an outfit for tomorrow, for work tomorrow, while I have some YouTube on in the background. And then once that video is over, I think I'll finally be ready to cook dinner. So I picked out some gray pants and a pink sweater. It's getting close to Valentine's Day, so I thought it would be kind of fitting. I think I might do these shoes, or I might do tan shoes, or kind of like a brown shoe. I'm not positive yet, but that's what I got so far. I'm gonna do a black belt actually, so I am gonna do the black shoes, but that is the fit for tomorrow. So starting to get ready. I still need to plan my calendar out, so I want to go through my planner and just look at everything that I have. I have 2 planners currently, and I want to condense everything into this one, so I'm going to do that shortly, but I am going to go make dinner first, as I said I would. So I'm going to do that and then continue on the evening and plan for tomorrow. This is what's for dinner tonight: steak, potato, and green beans. I just finished dinner. I don't have too much to pick up, which is nice, but I made a plate for my boyfriend for when he gets home. He works until midnight. So I said that last video, or he works until midnight. So I don't get to eat dinner with him very often, but saving him a plate. And I do have some left for lunch tomorrow, which is nice. And I'm just going to be picking up the kitchen and then heading upstairs to just finish out my evening, get ready for the work week. Every Sunday before I go back to work on Monday, I like to go through my calendar and make sure everything is set up the way I want it to be for when I get there on Monday morning. And tomorrow I have a meeting at 8 a.m. So it's like right when I get in. And then I have one at 10 and again at 5:30. So it's going to be a little bit of a longer day, but that's okay. It will be a good day, not terribly jam-packed or anything like that, but I am probably going to end off the video here because I'm just going to go take an everything shower and possibly eat some ice cream. That sounds really good for tonight, but everything shower, maybe a little ice cream, and then hanging out for the rest of the night, watching YouTube, reading a book, and just having a good night. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. I think I'm going to do a work week in my life this week, so look forward to that.